Okay, hello everyone. So we've got Tuesday today. Now, as you know, yesterday was, let's start off with gold, swing day for gold. No, it wasn't. This it was Monday, Tuesday, and we talked about Wednesday being a full moon. All right, so that's your Monday there. All right, and last week Thursday was a swing day. So if you played your cards right and bought the low, you should have made quite a lot. Now Monday, if this holds, right, so today is Monday and Tuesday are okay, plus full moon on a Wednesday, you have to be careful. If the market pulls back, okay, Wednesday is okay to pull back and find ourselves a low, okay? So if this Monday, Tuesday becomes a high, the market pulling back a little bit back into this zone or going lower actually is also okay. All right, so I'm just going to change this a little bit here and move this up into there. All right, and that makes sense now. All right, so selling from the highs are okay. Just be mindful of the good buy kiss at 54, which is 2637. That's one level you need to look out for. The other one is on the weekly, we've broken the 78, which is 2648. Okay, and if it breaks the daily as well, just don't stand in front of it. We're supposed to short it because Monday, Tuesday swing days. I don't mind shorting the highs if the market is at the right price. Yesterday, as you can see, they sold the highs, so any pullback again, closing gaps here is okay to sell off. They didn't break the low of Asia, okay, but if it starts to break below this zone, you know where we're going, all the way down there. So if we pull back into a trading hour, I think selling is okay on this one. Let's take a look at the euro dollar. Now with this one, we don't have a swing day until further down the week. This zone we already knew about, plus the PST level, that's a 45 with a price of 1.08791. So we still have room to come down, which is fine. You sold off yesterday. This was the week daily pivot yesterday. Okay, that daily pivot today is here. So the market pushed down, bounced up, as you can see, broke down again. So it's just doing what it needs to be doing. I did say yesterday if it goes up you can sell, but it didn't go up much except that daily pivot there. All right, so the market is still pushing down, but this is expected. Okay, so that was on the price, plus on the PST we still have room to push down. So any retracement up, I think it's still okay to sell off there. And remember, we're looking for a range of 1 to 1, which should bring us down to here. Now, when it comes to indices, let's check them out. Now with the indices, we have breakouts yesterday, and the market just pushed up, which is fine. Okay. Not much to talk about. The target's done, as you can see on the PST. So basically that's it. Okay, we might still have a bit more room to go up, but we have gaps to fill in. So I'm suspecting Wednesday we could also sell off. Why? Because this is Thursday, Friday. Okay, let's do this and I'll tell you why. Okay, so we've got a Friday, Monday, so Tuesday as well, maybe we'll head up, and on a Wednesday we can sell off. Okay, and Tuesday or Wednesday you can look to sell, but remember your swing days are not going to happen until later on. Okay, so if you want to sell the highs at trading hours, I don't mind doing so. Okay, but remember they're not your swing days, so be mindful. Okay, the same goes for Dow Jones and Nasdaq. Let's take a look. I'm making it short and sweet. I'm in Georgia and the internet absolutely sucks at the airport. Now, Dow Jones market going up, breakout, pushing up, no problem there. Okay, the only thing is this: the market came back a little bit, sweep them out, nearly came down to that PST level, But in any case, if you did follow this through, you could have gone long with back in any case. All right, yesterday's hours as well. So yeah, same with the SP 500, right? So we've got Friday pushing up, Monday pushing up, Tuesday ending up somewhere high, and then a sell-off on Wednesday into the swing days on Thursday to Friday, I think is fair trade. So selling the highs just like with SP 500 is okay with the with this one. 75 to 78 is going to be your target. That's a price of 43,270, 43,277, and 43,571. So anywhere at those ranges at trading hours, I think it's okay to sell off. You can also wait for tomorrow, because if there is a reaction today, pull back tomorrow to sell off on the lunar eclipse is okay. Let's do the same and check out NASDAQ. Now with NASDAQ, we are in the supply zone. So that's the zone there, and that's the breakout there, and that's your target there. That is 70, what is it? 70, 71. That's the price of 25.20. Okay, so 25.20, 24.77. We're okay to sell off around there. And on the weekly, we've got a breakout. So I don't normally like to stand in front of it, so maybe just leave this one alone. If you spot a breakout, just leave it alone, because let's see how it settles down. At the end of the day, it's the sell zone. We're on a daily target, so a bit of a pullback is okay, but if you don't want to risk it on the indices, wait for the pullback day and then do it. All right, then go with the flow. Other than that, I don't know, because it's going to be a bit tricky at a sell zone and the market's at a breakout on the PST. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Now with Bitcoin as well, today is the 15th, right? So Monday was a swing day. That's your Monday. That's a nice push up right there. Okay, so Monday pushing up nicely. If on Wednesday we're up here somewhere like 70, 67, 697 weekly. On the weekly we've got a breakout. Okay, so once again, any pullback we're good to push up. All right, where could that come into? All the way back down here or down here. Why? Because we've got gap here, gap there. So from this zone, I don't mind selling off either until the next swing day because of the gaps here. It should come back here or down to the weekly even. Okay. So the next one is Wednesday. You can either wait till Wednesday, and if we're high, you can sell off. If Wednesday we've crashed down, you can buy, because buyers are going to be in the zone here. Okay, and that's about it. Now the video is a little short because, like I said, I've got really bad internet here at the airport in Tbilisi.